talk dirty, she 30 with herpes, it's lurking in on the back page. Yeah, couldn't fuck bitches, my dad tell me something that I don't know. Many is a mother.
Alright guys, so I just kind of thought this would be a fun video. So I'm going to check if my clutch basket's grooved. Yeah, so let's get this outside and tip the extra gas out of it so whenever I tip it on its side, it doesn't come out. Step 1. Put it on its side. Okay, good, I didn't smash the exhaust. This is so if you don't want to leak your oil out of the case, you do this. Are you joking? The heck is that? It looks like it's stripped. So I don't know if these bolts should be this loose, but look, this is with one hand. So, yeah. They were all pretty loose. Oh, boy. So, I guess I'll come back to you when I get this thing off. Guys, I forgot to fill you in, but I'm just taking off this cover. And this thing, I didn't know this. It has a Hinson Racing clutch. I had no clue. But I was told to take this cover off and to see if the plates are stuck together because I don't know how well you guys will be able to see this. It's not grooved at all. So, yeah. I'm gonna check. Alright, so sadly, guys, I'm gonna have to buy a new clutch basket because, as you can see, this is past file fixing. Well, guys, this is day 2, which for you guys should only be like 10 seconds, not even, but I'm gonna take this cover back off right there, and well, I'm gonna try to get the clutch hub out. I don't know if I said clutch basket yesterday. If I did, I meant hub. I didn't mean clutch basket. But yeah, I guess I'll show me getting the bolts up. Alright, so step 1, I guess, get it on its side so I can take this out without the oil coming out. So, the first part to get this out is actually taking off the brake lever, so, yeah. You know, I forgot to take out this pin right there. Don't lose this pin. Okay, I'm probably getting copyrighted. And you want to take out this pin, you can actually physically push it out. Alright, there you go, pin. Don't lose this too. Now you can take this off. After you push that behind it, now you can take this thing off. Alright, now, okay, don't forget there's a spring behind it. Now, set this somewhere where you're not going to lose it. I'm just going to set it right there. Yeah. Alright, honestly, I have no clue if you can hear me, but I also don't know what these are supposed to be torqued down to, but I just kind of tightened it yesterday. Oh, God. Just kind of like, not that tight, but kind of tight, like snug. Nice, kind of tight. Well, I don't even know. This isn't a how-to video. It's just I'm taking this off, and I almost just stripped that, so I guess since... Oh, God. I don't even think you can see that. But since all these are out, or loose now, I'll take them out and show you. Alright, then. You might need to break this seal with, like, a rubber mallet. Of course, as soon as I try to talk, it always rains harder. But you just want to take this thing off now. Make sure not to drop anything inside of the engine. But yeah, there's the clutch again. So, I'm going to put this... clean this out real quick. Set her down right here. Perfect. You just don't want to lose that. Or the bolts. The bolts, some are longer than the other ones, so I recommend not losing it, but here's the clutch again. I'm going to take off 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bolts right there, and then, yeah. Also, just a little heads up, I have no clue. I need to look up what these are torqued down to, but just to put it back on to sit here, I torqued them down to 7 foot-pounds of torque. I don't know if that's too much or too little, but that's just what I did, just so I could put the cover back on. Alright, also guys, I found out once you get these things loose, you can also loosen them with the screwdriver, and I found that a little easier than the socket. Oh yeah guys, I completely forgot to say this, but I started taking out the fibers and the steels, and it looks like, I forgot to say this yesterday when I made this video. If you guys see that part, you'll know, you would have seen it already, but it looks like someone tightened this thing with a freaking jackhammer. I'm not even joking. Yeah, I just gotta, I need a new hub. So I need to take out the hub. Like I was saying, like I was gonna explain earlier. Oh yeah, also this is why I need a new hub. Let me get my flashlight out. Those are supposed to be smooth. Those aren't supposed to look like teeth. But yeah, I need a new hub, and my buddy said he could actually machine a billet one that's basically out of the same material. But I don't know, it would be like less than half the price of this, and these are like $300 to whatever amount you want to pay for them. The one I need is a Hinson, but I didn't know if you can mix and match them. If you could, that would really help, but I don't know if you can. I was told to call somewhere, but well, what happened there? It's a little nicked up right there. Yeah, I'm gonna work on getting this off, but yeah. Alright, one of the first things you need to do is, you need to get this lock washer to, like, get it, you need to get the lock washer off. It's basically, you just need to bend back that tab right there, which looks like someone had a fun time hammering it, but, yeah, I'm gonna bend that back. Alright, so I got this bent back pretty good with a hammer and a screwdriver. I don't know if that's the best way to do it, but that's how I did it, and, now I'm just gonna work on trying to get this off. If it doesn't come off up here, I'm gonna need to put the side plate back on, or bring the air compressor up here with the impact. Oh, I'm an idiot. I didn't realize. I completely forgot. Once you take the plates out, this thing just spins freely. So that could be a slight issue. I could have maybe wanted to. I might want to put the plates back in and do it. Alright guys, just a little update. So I didn't have the right size socket to actually fit that. I think it's like 28 millimeters, inch and a quarter maybe. So, you know, I called the trusty mechanic, as I would call him, aka Brandon, who was in the other video fixing stuff. And, you know, they gave me some sockets, like pretty big ones, and then they also gave me this impact. Without this impact, I don't know how I would have probably got this off. So, thanks to them. Thanks, big shout out to you guys. Well, honestly, I don't even know how to thank them for this, but they came in clutch and pulled it off, and dang, just got that bolt off within like 10 seconds. So, thank you guys so much, honestly. Now I'm gonna take the rest of these clutch plates out. Alright, coming in clutch, honestly. Now I just need to pull this. Oh my god, it came off. Alright, let's see, what's it say? Billet proof, YZ250, Hinson Racing. So basically, I need one of these. Wow, that is bad. Holy crap, look at right there, guys. Oh my god, dude. This is terrible. Wow. Holy crap, honestly. Wow. Alright, so now I'm just going to put the cover back on. I don't know if I showed you guys what it actually looks like, but I put it in a bag, and it's going to go, and I'm going to give it to my friend and see if he can actually machine a new one or not. But yeah, the rest of the clutch was fine, like the basket and the springs and the fibers and steels are just almost perfect. Like, there's barely any wear on them. Alright, so I just picked the bike up and put the cover back on so I can like actually physically, is that oil? No. Nah, that's something. It's not oil though, it's not slippery and lubricated enough. Who cares, if the oil comes out of there, it doesn't matter. But I'm going to put these clutch plates, like the fibers, and actually I'm just going to put the steels in too, like it is right now, in a Ziploc baggie, then fill it with extra oil, just so I can like lubricate them a little more. I don't think that's coming from there anywhere. Yeah, I don't see it dripping from anywhere. Yeah, no, I'm good. Alright, so, I'll show you when I do that. Also, guys, I changed my mind. I took all the steels out, and I'm just going to put the fibers in. I'm going to use some Valvoline 1040. Alright, there we go. Alright, I just want to say, I'm pretty sure this is going to be the end of the video, but thanks for watching this. If you really watch the end, you're a true supporter. And thanks for giving me, I guess, money to afford this. So, yeah, that's really all I have to say. And I really hope that's not oil dripping out. But if it is, it feels bad, I guess. But, I also put the fibers in the bag, like I said I was going to do. I left the steels out, and then there's the pressure plate. It's, also a Hinson. And there's the clutch springs right there, and that's really all for this video. So, I guess I'll see you guys in the next garage video, which will be putting the new clutch in, or maybe watching him make it. Who knows? So, yeah, thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.
She savage, you be with them apes. Play with this shit, you get 8. Bitch, I be covered in baby. Bitch, I be covered in baby.